Welcome to London Bus Route 1. A 24-hour bus route. This is called Route N1 at night. Calling at Hampstead Heath, Belsize Park, Chalk Farm Station, Camden Town, Mornington Crescent, Euston Bus Station, Russell Square, Holborn Station, Aldwych, Waterloo Bridge, Waterloo Station, Elephant and Castle Station, Bricklayers Arms, Tower Bridge Road, Grange Road, Southwark Park Road, Gallywall Road, South Bermondsey, Surrey Quays Station, Canada Water. London Buses Route 1 is a transport for London contracted bus route in London.